Good morning, students. Our today's topic is the nuclear debate. Actually, we are going to read the opinions of the people who are in favor of the nuclear energy and the opinions of the people who are against the use of the nuclear energy. So, important topic. This is actually a topic in the topic of radioactivity in the subject of physics. So, concentrate yourself. First, we are going to read the opinions of the people who are in favor of the nuclear energy. They are of the opinion we need more nuclear power stations because of the future energy demands to keep our standards of the living. Here, another opinion is nuclear power can save fossil fuels, that is, coal, gas, and oil, which are running out. They could be saved for the third world or not used at all to reduce the greenhouse effect. And other opinion is nuclear power causes less damage to the environment than do coal-powered stations. Nuclear stations do not produce carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, so do not make acid rain. And other opinion is the amount of the nuclear waste is small. It can be safely stored by enclosing it in thick glass and burying it. And other opinion is only 0.1% of our background radiation comes from the nuclear power industry. And other opinion is nuclear stations are very carefully designed to be safe. And other opinion is risks due to nuclear industry are less than other areas. And other opinion is only a small amount of the uranium is required to produce very large amount of the energy. And other opinion is uranium is safe and easily available. And other opinion is it is a cheaper energy source than fossil fuel. The next is large reserves of the uranium are available. So these are the opinions of the people who are in favor of the nuclear energy. But at the same time, there are some people who are against the use of the nuclear energy. They are of the opinion. Their opinion is we should save energy by better insulation of the homes and better use of the wasted heat from power stations. The next opinion of these people are the world's uranium is limited. We must develop renewable resources of the energy like wave power and solar power. They do less damage to the environment. And other opinion of these people is nuclear power stations produce waste which stays highly radioactive for thousands of the years. Here, another opinion is leaving waste is irresponsible. It pollutes the world for our future generations. The nuclear waste might leak out. And other opinion of these kind of people are no level of the radioactivity is safe. Statistics show that children nearby are more likely to get leukemia. And other opinion of these people are Chernobyl blew up due to human error. A lot of the people across Europe will die because of it. It is too risky. There is always a risk of a nuclear accident with enormous consequences. Future generations would not forgive us. And other opinion is although uranium is cheap, the power stations themselves are expensive to build in the first place. And other opinion is it is expensive and difficult to make old power stations safe. And other opinion is nuclear power stations are restricted in possible locations, must be on firm stable land, usually away from the large centers of the population for safety. So this is another very important topic of the radioactivity in the subject of physics. That is actually the points in favor of the use of the radioactive substances, nuclear energy, and against. So read this lecture again very carefully and make your notes. Thank you so much, students.